Welcome back to the Monthly Market Minute, where we take a minute to talk about the Montreal real estate market, its stats and trends. So here in January 2024, we're going to recap the real estate market of 2023, and we're going to compare it against the 2022 market. So we're going to look at primarily at single-family homes in the West Island, meaning Beaconsfield, Pointe Claire, Bay d'Urfé, Kirkland, etc. And using those numbers, we're going to get a point of reference for kind of what happened in 2023. So to start, let's say we had 629 sales in 2023, and that's down 12% compared to 22, where we saw 713. Now, the average sale price in 23 was $876,238. Again, that's down 11% from 22, which was $976,830. So let's call that $100,000. Now, new listings as well in 2023 are down 551 new listings that came to market, where in 22 it was 743. And days in market is actually longer than 2022 at 52 days, where in 22 it was 31 days. So as you can see here, there's been a big difference from what was happening in 22 to 23. Now, let's remember that 22 was really the hangover from the pandemic era of real estate activity and pricing. The idea of 2023 was to have the market readjust and slow down, and that's what was happening with the higher interest rates, and that's what we actually saw happen in 23 was that adjustment. Now, the hope was that pricing and activity would go back to pre-pandemic levels. That did not happen. It was not going to happen, but essentially we did see the pricing actually tap its brakes and activity tap its brakes, which overall is healthy for the marketplace. So what is the outlook for 2024? Well, the biggest unkept secret, or the worst kept secret at the moment, is that interest rates are bound to drop in 2024. The question is, when is that going to happen? The estimate is that it's going to happen somewhere around June. It may even happen before. Now, what happens then is that what we're already seeing, as discussed, we already have low inventory levels. Now, as soon as interest rates decide to drop, we have a lot of buyers on the sideline waiting to get into the marketplace, waiting for interest rates to drop. So when that does happen, they'll come back into the market with lower inventory, fueling more activity in the marketplace and bringing prices back up. So what does this mean for sellers? Well, 2024 is a great time for sellers to be coming into the market because buyers will be motivated by lower interest rates and lack of inventory. Now, for buyers, there's a unique opportunity for you right now to be purchasing between now and that eventual interest rate drop, right? Taking advantage of that opportunity allows you to get, in theory, lower price compared to what we're going to see in the later half of the year. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment directly to this video.